bro, this is nice. I like when things work. They are crispy. Right, what we're rocking here is we got Wingman Origin rim. Hang on, just fix this. Right, Wingman Origin rim with some normal, just standard spokes. Project 321 G3 hub that sounds immense. Like, that is bonkers. Numero uno, we've got Galfa Disc Wave 203s, 1.8 mil. Got my bag of goodies, my lolly bag. Scan the back for instructions. That's what I'm going to do.
Hey, it's Mark with Project 321, and today I'd like to show you how to remove and install the 6-lock brake flange from our And there you have it, your brake rotor is all mounted up and you're ready to go.
As easy as that, I reckon. Thank you for buying a Galfa product. Hang on. Let's do some mods real quick. Not ideal. Right, this is going to be difficult. I'm not very experienced in this situation. Oh. What is the hose doing? Come on. Oh. Oh. Ideal. Get in! You silly dog! How do people do this, man? What type of shape is this thing in right now? Oh, because I just can't see it. I can't even see it. Get in, you... Why doesn't it want to work?
So why are we changing the brakes? What was wrong with the other ones?
They're horrible. Doesn't matter. They're sacrificial. official Allen key.
And you just don't want your Allen key to get straight down the middle of this thing.
Don't say that now.
I'm just saying.
It stopped.
That's all you can go because you got a massive rod on the end of it. Look, now it's stuck.
Okay, we're not doing that again. Right. Right,
Get your pliers out. You don't have to
pliers?
ply that one out.
right. Allen key, no, bad idea. Dirty dog of a thing. Come on! Push.
What's this line for, anyways?
I'm gonna tape the other one to it. Push.
No, what's it actually used for?
Yes! Oh, come on! Right. Now, well, that's one win for the day.
Where's your tape?
Over here.
Okay.
You reckon? Have you stress tested it? Yeah, that's good. There shouldn't be any more strain on it than that. Now get through.
Pull it. Man, there could be any more tape on the bloody thing. How's that come slipped off?
But I'm gonna have to do what we just did again. Ah!
That's my best work yet. Pull.
I don't want to. I don't want to pull.
I'll push it.
Oh, that's a, yeah, push. Push, that's a good idea.
It's not going in. It's not fitting. So this isn't gonna work. What's your next plan?
One layer and just careful. Just like a strip across the top and like wrap it around, and a strip across the bottom and wrap it. And just careful.
Okay, do you want to do that?
Right, I don't care.
Just like that, he reckons.
We're gonna try. Nicely.
That's as far as I can push.
Hang on. Just give me some sort of just keep pushing. Yes! Come on! Yes! We did it! My idea.
Where?
Oh, finally.
Took you long enough. Okay, have fun.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
No worries. Bye, YouTube.
Bye. Oh, I need a break. Oh, for God's sake! We had to sacrifice an Allen key. So that got the end chopped off it to become a poking stick. But the hose is through. And the caliper is on. So we're good. Yeah. That's about all that mattered for a bit there. It took me, it's 3:44, so it took me probably nearly 3 hours until now. Which is pretty insane. But yeah, that's that. What Kyle said to do was just push it on gently. Make sure it's nice and straight. Do I have anything plastic? Nope. He's definitely pushing it on. Alright, we're good. Okay. Twist that back that way. Put the olive on the top of your hose. And put your hose into your lever. Screw it in just a little bit so that it creates a seal, and it will get nice and tight. And then what you want to do, you want to get your 8mm spanner, 8mm, and just tighten that up. Just put it on there. Dream handlebar now, eh? They reckon dream grips and now dream handlebar. I cut my other ones down to 770, I think. So I will probably do the same. Awesome. I just got a feeling the SD card's gonna go soon. What I did this afternoon, stem, bars, brake on, dropper on.
Okay, more biscuits.
That's it. I'll do the rest in the morning. Well, it turns out the SD card did cut out. I switched to internal storage, tried to get that to the computer. And, well yeah, the rest is kind of history, isn't it? But it's been about 2 months. I've been trying to get this video out, but here it is. This is the rig. This fresh top cap from 2 days ago. Yesterday, actually, 1 day ago. The rims and tyres are on. The hub sounds insane. I can't really. Anyway. It's meant to have not those pedals, it's meant to have these pedals right here. These ones right here. And I mean, it's been pretty good. It's been a good rig. There's not much else I can really say. It's just like just nice, you know. It's just been a good thing. Just been tinkering with a little few things here and there. But like you can see, it's dirty. It needs a wash, but it's been just amazing. Good part choice, I can say. But hey, either love it or you hate it. I kinda love it. There we go. I'll see you in the next one.